In this video, there is no pencil work needed. Just mark the horizon with the tape as shown. We have mixed 4 colors on the palette for the sky. Start with aqua green plus very little cerulean blue hue, cerulean blue hue plus white plus very little aqua green, cobalt blue hue and cerulean blue hue, pristine blue plus little black. Start with the first color, use a big flat brush. Layer the colors one by one as shown. A technique we use to get smoother looking background is repaint on it after it has dried up. This will ensure no brush strokes and smooth background. Mix a little water in each paint before doing this. After this has dried up, take a slightly moist cotton ball and using white, show galaxy. As we learned in our last video that fingers are the best option for galaxy blending, so do the same. Then use a brush to show stars. Use the same tip again for the ground. Now mix 3 shades of green on the palette. First mix sap green plus yellow ochre plus little yellow, then sap green, lastly sap green plus little black. Using an angle brush and lightest shade, start painting down the horizon as shown. Then mix the 2 shades to create an extra shade and paint along. Similarly, do the same with last shade. This part is completely up to how you want the ground to look, so go along with your choice. Mix the last 2 blues and paint some hills. Create a little texture on them to make them look real. Show some parts dark while leave some part light. Now use smallest size brush you have and show some falling stars. Now using a pencil, draw a sketch of van. Use a white pencil if you want. Mix 3 colors on the palette: yellow, yellow plus yellow ochre, yellow ochre. Start painting with yellow from the front end. Then go with yellow and ochre mixture and then ochre, then mix yellow ochre plus little black and paint the rest. Now using white, paint the upper portion of the van as shown. As you move back, make it dark by adding black to white. Show the seats using yellow ochre mixture. Use black to show darkness inside the van. Finally, add details on the van as shown. Show the shadow. Now let's paint bonfire. Get started with orange and paint small flames. Then move inside by mixing yellow and repeat the same. Keep adding yellow. Show some dark orange strokes. Mix yellow and white to show the central part. Finally, add details as shown. Show some wood using burnt umber and black. Highlight the nearby grass using yellow. Make sure the paint is not too thick. Using black, show a man sitting on chair and his shadow as well. Show a man sitting on the van with black as shown. Also add some more details on the van using black. Using white and yellow mixture, highlight the person's outlines. Highlight some more grass if needed. Then using black, show some trees. Use sap green plus black mixture for the leaves. Then highlight the same using yellow. Finally, show the beam of torchlight using white. Use angle brush for this. Make sure paint is not too thick. Rotate the book as per your convenience. And it is done. See you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. Thank you.